Hi everyone! Today is the day I get to use the processor, the Cord King. I am going to process this load right here that's on the deck, which would be pretty nice. And I'm planning on doing this tonight before it gets too dark, because I want to try and get it stacked while it's still daylight out here. So that's the plan. I've already checked the oil, checked the bar oil, and everything looks good. I just have to get it in operation, and I'll bring you guys along. I don't know if you can see, Jeff is in his tractor again now that we don't have the excavator, and he's moving some gravel around, trying to get rid of some of the mud that we've had in the past couple of weeks with all of the rain. And then whenever you've got heavy equipment, it has a tendency to drop mud everywhere, and we're not used to it. see how the truck is doing, and I'll get the deck loaded up and bring you back when Jeff gets ready to dump it. I don't know if we can see. But that was just a one deck that I just processed. And things are starting to work good with the Court King. And this is the M1820. And I'm starting to get warmed up. I'm ready to get after this. Well, that didn't take me very long to finish up that deck. The one that was on the forklift, we threw it up there on deck. I've processed it, and Jeff is bringing over the truck to dump it so I can start stacking. That's not quite a cord, but it'll get me started, because this is the night I get to tape and mat the she shop. And there's our truck driver.
Are you paying for this load or what?
I'll let him take it out of my wages.
No, you can't win. You cannot win. Well, we hope you enjoyed our video today, or Jill's short video. I just got back with a load of logs from Surge. I was going to record. I forgot to turn on the camera. But I did get a nice load of birch. Took Isabel, the woodhound, with me. Isabel, you're headed in for a nap or what? There's the little woodhound. So I got, I guess Jill's rolling up the straps. She likes to do that. I don't like to do that. So she's in working in her she shop. Give you a quick view here. Sorry about the wind. I don't have my mic, but we did get the can lights up in, and I'll give you a quick view inside here. She just started taping and mudding. So we're slowly gaining on it. Just started working on it again today. We had a lot of heavy rain. It's getting colder. Lots of snow around us. Bad weather, but we're kind of down here where there's no snow and heavy rain, and 47 this morning. So let me take you over here to Jill, and it looks like she's getting wrapped up, and see what she's been up to.
I've been busy. I've been stacking wood. I've been working that processor pretty well. I like doing that. I'm not doing it in the rain, although Jeff did buy me a brand new raincoat, so anybody who was concerned about me being out here on the processor, I have a brand new raincoat.
A nice one.
A very nice one. So I don't even need a cover over my processor now.
Yeah, good help needs good equipment. So we'll in our video coming up here at the end of the week, this is Jill's, what we call her short video midweek here. At the end of the week, I did go down to Seward and pick up some logs this week, big saw logs. So I'll take you along for that, and I'm going to try to fire up the mill this afternoon, or if not, tomorrow. We're really busy this week, but get you some footage on that for our next upcoming video. So we keep the sawdust flying in the Alaska Woodyard.
And thanks for coming along.